Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a rules channel using your Discord mobile application. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, open up your Discord app on your phone, and once you open it up, you can head over to a server where you want to add the rules channel. So this is the server I want to add the rules channel. Once you are logged in, you will be directly taken by the server space. You can select your server from your left hand side. So what you can do is basically tap on the server name, and uh, once you tap on it, you can go over to the option of settings or server settings. So tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you will be finding option of channels. So go ahead and tap on channels, and once you tap on channel, you can select the option of editing or tap on the option of create. So tap on it, and once you tap on create, you can select the option of channel, and from there we can start by creating a text channel. So in this channel name, you can just go over and type in your channel name. For example, I'm gonna make it rules channel, so I'm just gonna type in rules dot channel. You can type in your name for your rules channel. After that, you can select up your channel type. We're just gonna select the option of text, which allows us to post images, gifs, stickers, and opinions and puns. So you can just go over and do so, and even go ahead and select if you want to make your channel private or only select members and roles will be able to view this channel. So you can just go over and do so. Once you're okay with it, you can tap on create at the top and confirm it up, and that will create up your channel. Now you can start by going ahead and editing channel once your channel has been created. Now, once your rules has been created, your rules channel has been created, you can tap on the channel. And once you head over the channel here, you will be finding all of your options available. So you can start by editing out the rules here. Look out for the description itself. You may go ahead and tap on this option called edit channel. And when you tap on it, it will give you this page. Now in this channel topic section, you can just go over and type in your rule. I have written about some 5 rules here, so you can look out for that. And once you paste in your rules here, you can select up your category also. And the most important part you can do is you can make it read only so that the admins can only post the rules. So you can tap on this option called channel permission, and after you tap on it, you can select the option of administrator, or you can select this option of add members or roles. After you do so, you can select up your roles and your members and tap on add. You can also make the channel private so that it will turn up the options to send message, add reactions, and create threads apart from the admin. Once you're okay with it, you can tap on the settings save option in the top right corner, and once you're done, there you will be finding the channel rules ready. Now members can read the rules but cannot type or react, keeping your server clean and organized. And that's how we set up a rules channel in Discord mobile. Super easy. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and also subscribe and drop a comment below. And thank you for watching this video.